What's up, everyone? This is Scott from Rotten Melon Productions. This is more of a serious video for those that trade options and stocks. You've probably heard of Beyond Meat, BYND. If you were in that, hopefully you guys made some money. I think I had about 2K on the position, turned it into 20 overnight. I think at its peak, I had stacked different strike prices with an expiry date of 10/24, and at its peak, when that ran up to about $8.80 or 7 something, I think it was at like 8 something pre-market, and it ran up to 7 something. So my 2K turned into about, I woke up at 16K, I let it ride, kind of dropped to 14, 13, ran up to 20, back to 18. I think it was at like 26K from options because of the short expiry window, out of the money calls. And I did not cash out. I did hold it. I think in retrospect, it was a rookie mistake. I probably should have cashed out when I was up, because obviously it's drawn down since then. It was a violent move of like 7 something down to 250 or 280. But if you look at the weekly chart, and based on some of the data that I've found looking online with other people that are invested in this, that are seasoned traders, you'll see that volume is key, right? So we had up to 2 billion. It was like, I think it broke a record. It was like over 2 billion in volume, trading volume. And on the weekly, it looks like a bull flag. A lot of guys are saying if it drops below, anywhere in the twos, it's accumulation zone. You look at the GME squeeze and stuff like that. There was one squeeze that happened, and then it pulled back, and the second squeeze was even bigger than that. So there's still a lot of shorts that have to cover their positions. Might have a gamma squeeze, who knows? A lot of people with $3 plus calls that expire tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. But I'm bullish on it. I'm still going to hold. I might get in and out of positions because options are different than holding the shares. So you've got expiry dates and things like that. But I still think there's a lot of room to run. Some guys are calling 1,000% plus. Obviously, this isn't financial advice, and I don't want you to lose any money. So what the hell do I know? But I did turn 2K into 26K in a day. So